Panna cotta is a classic spoon dessert originating from the Piedmont region in Italy, and it is known and appreciated worldwide for its simplicity and richness of taste. Here is a basic recipe that you can follow to prepare panna cotta. Ingredients: 500 milliliters of fresh cream, 100 grams of sugar, 1 vanilla pod or a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 12 grams of sheet gelatin, about 6 sheets, or 6 grams of powdered gelatin. Preparation: put the gelatin sheets in a bowl with cold water to soften for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, pour the cream into a saucepan. Add the sugar and vanilla. If you are using the pod, slit it lengthwise and scrape the seeds inside to add to the cream. Place the saucepan over medium heat and heat the cream until the sugar has completely dissolved, taking care not to boil the mixture. When the gelatin is soft, squeeze it to remove the excess water and add it to the warm cream. Stir well until it has completely dissolved. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let the mixture cool slightly. Strain the mixture through a fine strainer to remove any residue and pour it into the molds you have chosen for your panna cotta. Let cool to room temperature before placing the molds in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or until the panna cotta is well set. When ready to serve, briefly dip the bottom of the molds in hot water and turn them out onto the serving plate. Trivia: although the classic version includes vanilla, panna cotta can be flavored in various ways, for example with liqueurs, coffee, or citrus zest. Additionally, it can be accompanied by fruit sauce, melted chocolate, caramel, or coulis of various flavors to further enrich the dessert. Enjoy your meal!